Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will be showing you my Osram 55-watt low pressure sodium light bulb. I bought this from eBay like last summer. It was 60 euros including the shipping. Here's the bulb itself. Not sure if you can see it, but there's an edge. Please tell me what this means. Is it a date code or what? I want to know when this was manufactured. Anyways, I have the gear, so I can turn it on for you. Not sure if there needs to be something underneath here. I think that's okay. Let's turn it on. 3, 2, 1. Wow, very nice. Let's go ahead and turn off some other light. You can see it a little bit better. I love this high low pressure sodium lamp. It takes some time to warm up, but I'm gonna speed it up, I guess. Slowly but surely, it is warming up and getting brighter. I think it's about to be at its full brightness. Let's take a look around. See? It lights up the room very nice. Oops. Actually, it's still getting brighter. I know these lamps take very long to warm up. Okay, I think that's about for this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.